Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Today, we'll continue where we left off and go over the final inspection points you need to know. Impact on race performance. Adhering to safety standards isn't just about avoiding penalties, it can actually enhance race performance. Here are some benefits that compliance brings. Enhanced vehicle reliability. When safety checks are performed, it ensures that all critical components are functioning well. A reliable car leads to fewer mechanical failures during races, allowing teams to focus on performance rather than repairs. Increased driver confidence. Knowing that a vehicle meets safety standards boosts a driver's confidence on the track. With fewer worries about potential failures, drivers can concentrate on their race strategy. Positive team culture. A focus on safety fosters a strong team environment. Team members, from mechanics to drivers, feel a sense of pride when they can trust the machine they work with. This unity can lead to better communication and collaboration during races. Sponsorship opportunities. Teams that emphasize safety can attract sponsors who value responsible practices. This can boost funding, helping teams invest in better technology and talent. In the high-stakes arena of motorsports, compliance with the 75-point safety car inspection can truly define a team's season. It's not just about following rules, it's about creating a foundation for success both on and off the track. Preparing for the inspection. Getting ready for a 75-point safety car inspection is an important step that can make a significant difference in your team's success. By taking the time to prepare properly, you not only improve your chances of passing but also ensure a safer experience on the track. Here are some critical tips and steps to set you up for success. Pre-inspection checklist. Creating a checklist is essential. It helps you stay organized and ensures you don't miss any important details. Below is a handy pre-inspection checklist every team should follow. Tires. Check tread depth and wear. Ensure proper inflation levels. Look for any cracks or damage. Brakes. Inspect brake pads and rotors for wear. Make sure the fluid is at the right level. Test the brake system for responsiveness. Fluid levels. Verify engine oil, coolant, and transmission fluid levels. Check for leaks underneath the vehicle. Ensure fuel is topped off as needed. Lights and signals. Test headlights, taillights, and turn signals. Make sure all lights are functioning correctly. Safety equipment. Confirm that seatbelts are in working order and free of damage. Check fire extinguishers and safety kits for completeness and accessibility. Body and chassis. Inspect for any loose parts or signs of rust. Ensure the car meets weight and measurement specifications. By following this checklist, you can systematically verify each part of your car and avoid last-minute surprises. Common pitfalls to avoid. Even with a strong focus on preparation, teams can still miss the mark. Here are some common mistakes that can lead to failed inspections, along with tips on how to steer clear of them. Neglecting details. Sometimes, teams focus on the big items and overlook smaller parts. Solution. Pay attention to the details. Even minor issues, like a loose bolt, can result in failure. Waiting until the last minute. Rushing through preparations can lead to missed checks or mistakes. Solution. Start early. Establish a timeline for inspections to spread out tasks over several days or weeks. Ignoring safety regulations. Misunderstanding or neglecting the safety regulations is a common issue. Solution. Familiarize yourself with the rules. Make sure all team members know the requirements. Forgetting to test components. Just having parts is not enough, they must work properly. Solution. Run comprehensive tests. Ensure that all systems are functioning as they should before the inspection day. Overlooking team communication. Lack of communication can lead to misunderstandings and mistakes that jeopardize the inspection. Solution. Hold regular meetings. Keep everyone on the same page regarding tasks and responsibilities. By recognizing these pitfalls and actively working to avoid them, your team can approach the 75-point safety car inspection with confidence and clarity. Future of safety inspections in motorsport. As motorsport continues to evolve, safety inspections will play a crucial role in protecting drivers and teams. The integration of technology and new regulations will shape how safety is approached in the future, improving the effectiveness and efficiency of inspections. Let's explore the exciting road ahead. Technological innovations. Technology is rapidly changing how we think about safety in motorsport. Two powerful tools leading this change are telemetry and artificial intelligence, AI. Telemetry allows teams to gather real-time data from vehicles. This data includes speed, tire pressure, and engine performance. By analyzing this information, teams can detect anomalies before they result in accidents. Imagine a system that alerts teams if a tire is losing pressure during a race. This proactive approach enhances the safety of drivers. AI can analyze vast amounts of data quickly. Using AI, safety inspectors can identify patterns and predict potential issues. For instance, AI might review historical data to forecast failures based on vehicle conditions. The result? Safer cars and fewer accidents on the track. These technologies will likely ensure that every car meets strict safety standards, transforming inspections from manual checks into smart, automated processes. Regulatory changes. Alongside technological advancements, regulatory changes will also impact safety inspections. As new technologies enter the field, governing bodies are expected to update their rules to keep pace with safety needs. Stricter guidelines. Expect to see more detailed regulations around vehicle inspections. The current 75-point safety car inspection may become even more comprehensive. Enhanced checks could cover advanced systems like telemetry data streams and AI analytics. Regular updates. Regulations might require more frequent inspections, especially as cars incorporate new technologies. This change ensures that teams are always in compliance with the latest safety standards. Collaboration with tech firms. Regulatory bodies may work closely with technology companies. This partnership could lead to the development of new inspection tools that set higher safety benchmarks. The future looks promising for safety inspections in motorsport, driven by technology and evolving regulations. These changes will help protect drivers and enhance the overall safety culture within the sport. As motorsport fans, we can look forward to witnessing these advancements that aim to keep everyone safer on the track. The 75-point safety car inspection is crucial for ensuring safety and performance in motorsport. It covers critical areas, from brakes to fuel systems, helping teams identify potential issues before they become serious problems. By regularly conducting this thorough inspection, teams not only comply with safety regulations but also enhance driver confidence and vehicle reliability. Consider implementing a routine inspection schedule if you haven't already. This commitment to safety can significantly impact race outcomes and preserve the integrity of motorsport. What practices have you found most effective in maintaining vehicle safety? Share your thoughts and join the conversation. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.